Lieutenant General Dan Leaf, Deputy Commander of U.S. Pacific Command, visited the University of Guam this week to hold a town hall meeting with some of the island's citizens concerning the planned military buildup of the U.S. territory. Lieutenant General Leaf spoke to some of the major concerns of the island's residents, mainly targeting how the relocation of 8,000-plus Marines and their family members from Okinawa will impact the region.
In terms of the economic benefit, bringing job opportunities and a little more stability to the economy of Guam, I think it's a great opportunity for the island.
The Deputy PACOM commander also gave citizens a timeline to expect for the move, expressing to concerned citizens the relocation will be gradual and not felt immediately.
The plan for this move right now has major construction starting in approximately 2 years, and major force elements won't move until 2012 or later. So this is a long-term project, but there's a great deal of work to be done right now.
Lieutenant General Leaf said though the money has not yet been set aside for this relocation, it's estimated the government of Japan will fund approximately 60% of the costs of the buildup, leaving the U.S. government with the remaining 40% of a $10.3 billion bill. Marine Corporal Ashley Bryant, Anderson Air Force Base, Guam.